So I received this great box of drinks from Super DC, from Gusto Super DC. So these drinks are an immune support, which are actually really good for our current climate. So I'm filming this during the pandemic. Obviously, they're not a replacement for natural ways of consuming vitamins, but they're a really good addition just for your booze. They've got vitamin C, vitamin D. And they use plant extracts, so like elderberry, mulberry, and I think this is a fantastic addition. Hopefully, I'm going to taste them. And again, look, they're not claiming to be miracle workers, but it's all about being healthy, and anything that helps us in this current era to be a little bit healthier and conscious of our vitamin intake is really, really a value. So I'm going to taste one of these. I think I'm going to taste the blackcurrant. It's fizzy. Fizzy. Smells great. So I'm going to have a taste of that. But you can see the colour, right? It's a little bit of an acquired taste. But I'm used to blackcurrant, right? And it's clearly a healthy drink. So if you're looking for something super sweet or anything, this is not for you. But I think one of those things that helps is knowing that it's got the vitamins, right? So this is what makes it, taste and feel good as you're drinking it. But if you're looking for something with, that's super sweet or anything, obviously this is not for you. Tasting the blood orange. Oh, much prefer the blood orange to the blackcurrant, actually. That is nice.